I had a wheel and all the kids were spinning it. And one of the things that were on there was sleep. And I was asking them honest questions. How much sleep do you think you should be getting every night? And
what are they saying?
They're like, I don't know. I'm probably not getting enough sleep, but I don't know what to do. So it's about, encouraging each other. And I think also the parents getting involved, taking those phones away, reducing their screen time,
That can start a war.
Yeah,
that can start a war.
I know. I don't like it if my mom takes my phone away, but if you're empowering them to make that choice, they're more likely to do it. So
100%.
You may have to take it at first, but, giving them that control of, this is the effect of that, showing them options is a really important thing too.
Especially when it's perceived as coming from a place of love.
Yes.
And so when you have improper sleep, and this we're going to talk a little domino effect.
Right.
Okay, painting the picture here.
Mm-hmm.
We don't sleep well, and we get up. As adults, the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to Starbucks and I'm getting a nitro cold brew, and that's like espresso on top of espresso, and I love it.